this is ABV from ABV EDC Store. Time check. It's 10:06 a.m. 04/16/2025. As usual, before shipping, we will finally inspect the unit and its functionality. This is the AceBeam K30 GT Compact Powerful Searchlight. Okay. So check natin. As usual, we have our gloves on. Hindi makontaminate ang mga items ng ating buyers. Malagay ng ating fingerprints. So yan. Check natin. So nandun ang paperworks. Number 1 na nating check is manual. We have a warranty card, some AceBeam warning, and the manual itself. So double check naman natin ito before proceeding. So alam natin ang UI ng AceBeam na ito. So yan, features. Eco, power accessories, 1 times 100 times 1 lanyard, 2 times O-rings, 1 times manual, 1 times battery, warning card, and 1 warranty card. Okay, so operation, check natin. Single click, every single click to turn memorized memory. Okay, long press when the light is off, long press to activate ultra low. Okay, yung moonlight niya. When the light is on, long press to cycle from low, medium, high. Loosen the switch at the selected brightness level. Okay. Double click to activate turbo. Every double click to cycle between turbo and the memorized brightness levels. Okay, then triple click is to activate strobe. Lock and unlock, meron din siya. When the light is off, long press 5 seconds continuously to lock the light. When the light is locked, long press 5 seconds to unlock the light and go to ultra low. Okay. So yan. At least na-check na natin how to operate it. So nandito, silica gel, anti-moisture sa inyong mga for storage. Ito yung handle, railed handle. Of course, hindi mawawala ang AceBeam na lanyard. Nakasil. Then the flashlight itself. Ganda oh. Compact na compact siya. So yan. So handy pa rin siya for a thrower. Very handy pa rin talaga. So yan sir, meron pa rin siyang cover. Check lang natin if saan to na unscrew, is sa butt ba or sa head? Think sa head. Okay, so sa head siya na unscrew. And there, ganda ng ano niya, ganda ng terminals. So ayun, meron siyang tab. So tanggalin natin isang tab. Ayan. So tatlong 18650 na batteries ang nakalagay. Meron naman siyang indicator how you put it. Syempre yung positive side dun sa taas or yung negative side dun sa may spring. And disclaimer sir, as AceBeam rin na sinabi, wag po tayo magmi-mix and match ng batteries. Ano po yun? For example, isang piraso mo is AceBeam, then the other 18650 mo is vape cell or ibang ano. Kasi iba-iba ang amperes niyan, ng mga amperes at capacity ng mga batteries. So, as much as possible, kung vape cell ang ilalagay mo, and oh yeah, before I forgot, vape cell na 18650 pwede, pero lahat ng klase ng battery na 18650 is dapat bottom top. Yan, dapat bottom top, yung merong nipple. Merong nipple. Hindi po pwede dito yung flat top, I think, kasi ganun ang ano niya, ang positive terminal. So baka magkaroon ng baka magkaroon ng loose connection. So much better gamitin is button top. So yan. So I think reversible naman nito kung pag ilalagay mo sa loob ng battery. Tingnan natin. Wala naman kasi siya naka-indicate. So ayan yung niya, shell, yung frame. Okay, so drop natin doon. Screw the head back on. Hold click. Yun, putya, lakas ka agad So single click, turn on, single click, turn off. To activate the moonlight mode, hold click. Oh, hold click long press. Yan, yan yung pinaka lowest niya. So single click ang pag off. Yan. Pag hinold mo, yan, nagka-cycle siya. 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 modes. Double click, turbo. Grabe. 1, 2, 3 from off. Strobe. Sakit Sakit sa mata nun So yan. Bang. So nakalayo ako sa camera. Turbo. 1, 2, 3. So yun sir. And oh yeah, nakalimutan ko yung freebie ko sa inyo. So sige. So check pala natin to. Sabi, meron siyang lockout. Hold click. 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yun. So pag nag-blink ng ganon is meaning naka-lockout na yung flashlight mo. So pagka na-accidental click mo siya, yan, walang mangyayari. Yan, so kahit ma-click, ma-press, accidental press yung switch, hindi siya mag-on. So how to unlock it? Same thing. Hold and press 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yan. Yun. Then turn on ulit siya. Okay? So yun lang yung UI niya, napakasimple lang naman. Yan. So from off, click 1, 2, 1, 2, diretso sa turbo. From off ulit, 1, 2, 3, diretso sa strobe. 1, 2, 3, strobe. Same thing rin yun, from off or on, same functionality ng switch. Okay? So yan sir, itatabi muna natin ito. Papakita ko pala yung sa isang video ko papakita, ito, saan ba ito? Ito yung sinama ko sa inyo para meron kayong charger ng batteries kasi this particular package meron lang siyang battery pero wala siyang charger. So ito, this is the X-Star SC1 Plus single channel battery. It accepts 18650 to what nakalagay dito, to 26800 cells. So 18650, 21700, 26650 and 26800 nag-accept ito. You can use it as a power bank rin, papakita ko mamaya. Then ito yung original cable niya. So pag charge mo siya, ang charging port na ito dito sa taas, dito ang input. Then kung gagawin mo siya as power bank, ito naman ang pagkakabitan mo na with this particular cord. So papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Okay sir, thank you. Sa kabilang video yung ating pag-test ng charger.